If you've ever wondered about the seamless navigation of the YouTube upload process, today is your lucky day. Join me on a comprehensive journey as we demystify the steps involved in uploading videos to YouTube using either your PC or mobile phone. Uploading via computer. Opening YouTube. In the top right corner, you'll find a plus button offering options to upload a video or go live. Clicking on Upload a Video takes you to a page where you can select files or drag and drop. I prefer clicking to open the file picker. Here, I am going to upload this video of a sunflower. As the video uploads, I add a title, description, and keywords. Once uploaded, I can select a thumbnail or create a custom one. Privacy settings like public, unlisted, or private are available. I often choose unlisted during the editing phase. Thumbnails and playlist options are also customizable. Now you can copy this link and check out your uploaded video. Uploading via mobile phone. Now, let's switch to the mobile phone. In the YouTube app, similar to the desktop, there's a plus button. Opting for Video, I can select from my most recent 9 videos or record a new one. You can also post it in YouTube Shorts dimensions. After choosing a video of the same sunflower, I add a title, set the privacy level, usually unlisted during editing, and enter optional details. Whether uploading from a desktop or phone, the process is straightforward. After the upload is complete, you can visit your profile and view the video. Editing and creating engaging content are the real challenges. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. Looking forward to seeing you next time.